Struggling to sell your house? Stuck with double mortgage payments? Or unable to move into your dream home? This solution can help. Unlike traditional sales, there are no agent fees or commissions. The tenant buyer simply pays our company a flat fee. Lease purchase allows qualified buyers to become your tenants with the option to buy later. This ensures you receive your desired price. Our extensive network of pre-approved lease purchase applicants can fill your house in just 1 month on average. Tenants with a vested interest in buying generally take excellent care of the property. We also recommend a home warranty for added peace of mind. Lease purchase arrangements may offer tax benefits like depreciation. Consult with a financial advisor for details. Our pre-screened applicants are serious about buying, not just renting. They're committed to qualifying for ownership within the agreed lease term. Tenants on a lease purchase plan treat the property as their own, taking pride in its upkeep and maintenance. To learn more, go to rent2ownsmart.com or text rent2ownsmart to 772-900-5621. Thanks for watching.